Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Gamer King, and bringing you, aka that Confiscate 98, aka that Score 42. Sorry about that. Forgot that intro. In this video, we'll be doing some packs, opening a few pro packs, and I forgot to record the premium packs. I did all the premium packs. I did all 5. Excuse me. But anyways, I didn't get nobody good. Those packs are not good to do. So you got Eddie Lacy. Once that what's his name, Bo Jackson goes down, Eddie Lacy will replace him. And this video will be trying to get many of these as possible of the George Blonda. Many collectibles for that. So let's do this. At the end, I just want to make it at the end good. Maybe we can get this for profit and do a better pack opening later on, like in another video. Reset. Oops. George Blonda. Put this now with the player collectible. I don't know what the collectible is, but here. What? Come on, bro. There we go. Easy. Hopefully I'm getting the right ones. That goes 10K. Don't do me like this. Come on, get something cheap. Here. Which ones did I get? Got 1, 2, 3. Got the 2 and I got the 1. So I have to have that one. So okay, let's check. I just want to see if I don't get it. It's fine. Just sell it back. Just sell it right back. See if maybe I can sell it for more. Maybe. I know it took that long. Okay, you get 2 gold trophies too, and then you get him. I thought I had him. He's 90 overall. Okay. That's sold. Okay, I needed all of them. I need 2 gold trophies. Maybe I should just, instead of spending that money on just the 2 gold trophies, which will cost me like, I don't know, if I really do the stuff, do like 4K, I'm gonna just do this for free. Just get the 1 more collection. Wait, actually, I don't think so. Yeah, maybe I can like open some packs, a pro pack. Probably got 15K off of that. What am I doing? I don't know what I was doing. So let's see. You just need 2 gold trophies. Well, yeah, we can do gold trophies. Let's get this eye paint, the snowman eye paint. Okay, we got 45K now. We just made our money back, really. And also, I deleted some of the daily talk. Cause I don't know, I don't want to do it right now. When I get bigger, like when I hit like 2,000 subscribers, maybe I'll start doing that. Or 2,000 or 3,000 subscribers, I would start doing that. But till then, I'm not. I just deleted it. But I always have it. I'm not going to use it. I'm going to have to make a new one. Just because. Let me get these real quick. Get the cheapest one. That regular one going for like, I don't know, 6K, I guess. Oh, they still have my recent buy. The last one goes for, what the heck? Give me this one for cheap, and I'll be all on my way. Before I even get the gold trophies, I may see how much this stuff is. How much he costs. He better not cost the same as the gold one. Get it. 55K. I did not want to do it, but gotta do what you gotta do. Well, okay. I'm just checking to see if they had one more. How much was that one? Oh. Well, I guess I got the 5K. The 5K was at least so far that I saw. So I guess I'm going to open the packs. I'm going to open up some packs. Like 2 packs. 3 packs. I think we only need 2 packs. See, I already opened it. See. So open this. See what we get. We'll see if we can get something good. Yeah. Also, maybe. I'm gonna open 4 packs. Just so see what you can get in 4 packs for you guys who don't have a lot of coins. Who's just starting out. Got Jason Khalees. 85 pass block, 95 run block, 87 impact block, 80 awareness, 83 acceleration. That's really all. Matt McGlone and Ronnie Wingo, Khalees. I'm not gonna say his first name. I'm gonna say like Quarles, Marcus Joyner. And this, I may just do one more pack. This is the last pack. Running low on coins, but I can always get more. Okay, we got Raheem Moore and Pat McPhee. I don't know. Yeah, McPhee. TJ Yates, Watson, Ryan Robinson. One more pack. I'm just gonna keep the regular 4 just because. I'll keep it. I can always get more. And we got it's an elite. I'm glad I got an elite, but this dude's it's annoying. I get him every time, and dang. We cannot end up with. I will end up with an elite, but no, I can't. I can't end off with that type of elite. I gotta end up with a better card. A new card. It's the same old cards. Okay, 80 overall. That's good. But we had him before, but he don't get him a lot like we get that dude. He's a quick buy. So we got an elite off of that anyway, so that's what you get in 4 packs. Hopefully you get him. He's a pretty decent player. I think I have him on my lineup. I just keep getting him. I'm probably gonna check. I'm in the sets. Let me just check right now. I don't think I had him. I think I had. Yeah, he's right here. But I keep on getting him. I'll check it. I'll show you his stats. 90 speed, 91 tackle, 86 strength, 71 man coverage, 86 agility, 84 zone coverage. Excuse me. 91 acceleration, 92 pursuit, 80 awareness, and 91 hit power. He's a good pull if you keep getting him. He has 1, 2, 3. He has 4. He has 4 of 90 overall stat. And then you got all of them. You got 4. And you also got 480 plus overall stats on him, and you got 170 plus. That's a good card. Compare him to Khalil Mack though. You can compare him to be a little bit better. Not really. You can't compare him to Clay Matthews. That's why. You can't compare him to Kushley, whatever, Luke. I know how to say his name, and I don't know why I don't know now. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get to the set. What are the odds? There's no way we're not going to pull at least 2. At least 2 gold trophies. Hopefully we do have enough of this. We can go 2 gold trophies out of this. Let's see. TJ Yates. These people's names are hard to say, I'll tell you that. McGlonan. The Freak. McCown. Teddy Bridgewater's. I'm gonna get a better card. I'll keep him. Hopefully. I don't know if they got an elite card of him. Let's see, come on. Yep, 1 gold. Okay, here we go. Got 2 golds. But really, for real, I'm really gonna do the trophy set. And maybe do a large quick. Hopefully we have enough for a large quick sale. So we do it in another video. Let's see how much time. Okay. About to hit the 14-minute mark in this video. Tell me if that M, the one that's what I used to record. Just tell me if that's like if that's bothering you, if I should cover it. Like I can only cover it so much. Let's see. I'm gonna choose somebody else. It's Antonio. No, Antonio Brown could go for a little bit of coins. I don't know, like 15K. Other than regular gold. He's just a special, that's it. Gotta get it. Come on. There we go. Come on now. Wow. We didn't. That was horrible. Yo. The best one was the 6-player. It's the 10 silver player trade-in. Let's get this done with. Let's get this done and out of the way. I think we could have enough. We just gotta go to the auction block. We can get trophy. I don't want to. I would get it for like 1K and 15K. That's it. Cause just hopefully I don't get 1K. How many gold trophies do I have? Oh, we have 4. Well, guys, just to do, let's see where we at. 16-minute mark. We just passed 16-minute mark. Let's just do this. We can't even do that. So, I would want to do it, but nah, we do that in another video. Where are we supposed to go? Here? No, here. Players. I was supposed to say here in players in the first place, so okay. How new is he? He's the first person? Yeah, he's the freaking first one. I was looking for a good one. I got the Jerry White race though. That thing would go for a lot. And I can't get that. 99 overall. Jerry Rice. I mean, yeah, I think it's Jerry Rice. Yeah. Here we go. Our first legend elite. Our first elite legend, guys. Our first elite legend. He's an update team. Here's the stats: 67 speed, 71 strength, 87 agility, 71 acceleration, 90 awareness, 91 throw power, 91 throw accuracy short, 98 throw accuracy mid, and 93 throw accuracy deep. Which I like. I like deep. But he's not going to be on my team. I got Big Ben. Big Ben. I like the Steelers. Big Ben all day. That's why I still got Le'Veon Bell, just in case. I just want to switch the lineup up. Lineup up. Just. Michael Irvin, though, I got one of them. How much that Jack came? Like 99 overall? 98, 95, 92. A lot of people like him. He's a Steelers fan. He's a Steeler. He shouldn't go for a lot. That reason why that legend didn't go for a lot, because he was the one the first. So God, anyways, hopefully he'll hit the 20-minute mark. Yeah, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't hit the subscribe button. Don't forget that like button. Let's get 50 subscribers. Long-term goal, short-term goal, 25 subscribers. Really appreciate the 25 subscribers and the 50 subscribers. There was 50 subscribers special, but the 25 subscribers special would just be a little video just thanking everyone. It'd be a short special video. It'd be just thank you for all the support and stuff though. So anyway, just to end this off, we got 3 of these things. Let's do this. We can get something, because that one wasn't really that good on the last video. So we'll see. 500K. That's how much you get for a little pack, a little thinking quick sell. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Peace.